Report Designer is an add-on that lets you visualize your test data in fully customizable reports. When selecting simulations in the grid, the result data is dynamically loaded into the report. That means you can quickly and efficiently visualize your result data and see whether they meet certain quality and quantity criteria. This video teaches you how to use the Report Designer add-on. First, you'll learn how to add charts, tables, images, and videos to the report layout. Then you'll learn how to save your settings as a template and share the template with other users. Okay, let's get started. To open Report Designer, simply right-click on a test and select Report Designer from the list of add-ons. The add-on will open as a pop-up window. You can customize the report layout by adding so-called widgets. For example, you can add charts, images, tables, texts, and videos. Simply select the widget type and then configure the widget settings. A preview is automatically displayed here on the left. Proceed the same way to add further widgets to the layout. For example, you can use this type of widget to visualize your channel data in customizable line charts. Simply enter the channel's code here. And then click on the back arrow to return to the widget settings. For example, here you can change the widget's height, width, and alignment. Here, you can perform mathematical operations, such as calculating the differential or the integral of a curve. Here, you can style the axis and add custom labels. And here you can style the color and stroke of the curve. Once you've learned the basic procedure for adding widgets, you'll easily be able to add other widget types, such as videos or images. Simply enter the image's name here, and then click on the back arrow to return to the widget settings. The last type of widget that I want to mention is the table. You can use this widget to display a custom grid. For example, a list of key attributes and values. Here you enter a name for the column heading, and here you decide what type of content should be displayed. Repeat the process to add as many other columns as necessary. Once you've finished configuring the layout, you can save your configuration as a template so that it can easily be reused for other reports. Simply enter a name for the template and decide whether you want to share it with users of a certain discipline. Alright, now that you know how to create a report, let's talk about using reports in the result test grid. Simply navigate to the Report tab and select Report Designer from the drop-down list. If you're working with a template, then select it here as well. The data is automatically loaded into the report. That means you can easily select other simulations in the grid, or you can select multiple simulations to see a quick comparison. The data automatically loads into the report layout that you've configured. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the Report Designer add-on.